1.
So why am I doing it? A couple of reasons. I've got to get that bike in. I need to start on that today because that's in for MOT tomorrow, so I need to do a little bit of titivation with that, just to make it look presentable. There's bits of rust on it and stuff, but it's not too bad. Probably looks worse than what it is, but it's a good couple of hours graft that. But I want to do it inside where it's nice and dry should it rain, which it's forecast. Well, I got everything sorted. All the caddy empty. Needs a hoover already. Yeah, put everything in the boot. Cleared everything from underneath. Got the thing started. Wasn't too much of a chew. So it's nice and warm. Ready to pull out. And the heavens open. It's got the sidecar started. That took longer than the caddy. But yeah, it's there ain't nothing happening there today.
Round 2.
It'll just have to go to MOT as it is. Dilly dilly. Well, caddy's out. So, just get the trailer in, sidecar in. Give all this a sweep out first. A bit of crap under there. Dilly dilly.
Round 3.
Right, bit of a change of scenery in the garage. We've got the trailer in, sidecar. So I'll start doing a bit of work on that now. A couple of hours I've got left. Been a busy old day. Caddy's nice and wrapped up again, which is great. I power washed all the drive, so it's all nice and clean under there, and yeah, got it parked exactly where I needed it. I can still use my path. It's nice and tight up against that. Nice and tight up against that. So I can crack on now. As I say, get this sidecar fettled. Bit of titivation. The battery's knackered on it. Again, I bought a brand new battery for it. Like to fool me, I kept it connected up and it drained, so now it doesn't hold a charge, so I've got to buy another new battery. But there you go. That's what you get for not just disconnecting a battery when you should. So my plan is I'll just put a car battery in the boot of that, and just put a temporary wire round onto here, just so I can start it for MOT. Easy enough. Otherwise I've got to keep jump starting it, so just make it as easy as I can for the inspector. Yeah, just do a bit of tidying up really. I mean, I'll be driving it, well, riding it down there I suppose, so that'll free the brakes off as best it will do. Yeah, I mean it is what it is. It's I can't see it really failing on much. I've got this I broke this ages ago. Yeah, so I do have that to put back on. Yeah, bit of glory. Hopefully it'll fettle that. And then yeah, that'll be that back together, and that'll be about it, I think. Right. Oh, brew time. Dilly dilly.
Round 5.
Well, bit of a change again. I forgot. I had to get my BM out the garage, so I brought it into this one. So I pulled the trailer out and shot that beside the caddy. Which gives us enough room to get out there. Just have to move my little trailer when I open the gates, so I can get the sidecar out and my bike tomorrow for MOT. So it's plenty of space in the garage now. I can get, let's say, a little bit of cleaning up and whatnot. Certainly with the BM, the headlights out, so I think it must be a fuse off when I had it stood outside all that time. It needs a bit of a clean as well. Yeah, so we've got the sidecar, and yeah, the sidecar in for MOT at 12 o'clock, and then I've got the K in at 4 o'clock. Should definitely be a pass. Let's hope it's a pass. Dilly dilly. Well, I've just finished cleaning the sidecar. Yeah, fantastic job. Happy with that. It's all hunky-dory, like, sparkling, just as it should be. So it didn't take much, to be honest, to get it all squared away. So it's just looking fine and dandy again. ready for any MOT that. Whether it'll pass or not's a different matter. My main concern is the brakes, and I don't know how in depth he's going to be in terms of CE markings and stuff on these lights. Obviously the last tester, Andrew, was absolutely spot on, didn't mind. I mean, you know, I could even fail for the number plate, who knows. Could also fail for speedometer not working. Well, I mean, the speedo works in terms of the dash, but the miles per hour needs calibrating. So it may or may not pick up on that as well. Who knows? I'm in the hands of the tester. However, speaking to the bloke, he seems spot on. Like, he knows I've waited until he's got up and running before I've booked it into him for MOT, as well as me 1600 as well. So yeah, hopefully he'll be a little bit lenient, and then the next thing will be to get the little Badger up for sale. Right, that's me home time. Dilly dilly, good night.